Love Sri Krishna.
Thank you, sir. So, in the answer given by the minister regarding Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, the focus of this scheme is, he just mentioned, for providing support to fisheries, entrepreneurs, fish farmers, fishermen, and all related stakeholders. So, this is a scheme focused on fish entrepreneurs. But the issue is, sir, in the last 1 year, there is an allocation of 1,500 crores and there is an increase of allocation by 2,300 crores. There is an increase of 56%, sir. So the focus is on the farmer. But if you look at the allocation and spending, in the last year, 1,500 crores has been allocated, but most of the spending, instead of farmers getting those that amount to themselves, most of the funding is being done to the state government, sir. So I asked the farmers, what is the reason behind this? And majority of them mentioned that, sir, the fish farmers, they don't do 1 acre, 2 acres, sir. They do 10 acres to 12 acres. The cost of input cost itself goes to almost 80 lakhs to 90 lakhs. But individual farmers can only get 5 lakhs per farmer, sir. So the amount that is being allocated for each farmer for improving of technology in the fish farms and everything is very less that has been mentioned in this scheme, sir. So I request the minister, because just now agriculture minister has mentioned about per drop more crop and drip irrigation and drone didi and everything, which will increase the technology in the farming, sir. Same way is fisheries ministry also looking in the direction so that more farmers can actually take this Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana funding so that they can increase the productivity in their farm rather than the state government using it, sir.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, माननीय सदस्य आंध्र प्रदेश से आते हैं और इस देश में जो 5 बड़े राज्य हैं जहां मछली का उत्पादन सबसे ज्यादा होता है, उसमें आंध्र प्रदेश भी है। लेकिन जो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मत्स्य संपदा योजना की जो योजना है, वो राज्य सरकार की अनुशंसा पर और जो 60-40 शेयरिंग के आधार पर हमारे यहाँ प्रस्ताव आता है, हम उस प्रस्ताव को स्वीकृत करते हैं। हम माननीय सदस्य से आग्रह करेंगे कि कोई इस तरह की योजना अगर होगा तो राज्य सरकार के माध्यम से वो आएगी और हमारे गाइडलाइन के अधीन होगी तो जरूर हम लोग उस पर विचार करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 424, आज इस पर कॉल अटेंशन है वेणुगोपाल जी का। 424 श्री गजेंद्र सिंह पटेल।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 424